Video footage of the Wisconsin judge charged with obstruction for helping an illegal immigrant escape ICE arrest has been released.
Newly released video appears to show a Wisconsin judge speaking to a federal agent who came to her courtroom last month to arrest an illegal immigrant. Judge Hannah Dugan facing federal charges after being accused of helping the migrant slip out of court. That video, released by Milwaukee County in response to an open records request, is now part of the evidence in the case against her.
It shows Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan, they say, talking with ICE agents who came to arrest Eduardo Flores Ruiz. They say she was deliberately distracting the federal agents as Flores Ruiz fled through a side exit of the courtroom with his attorney that you see there. We're told by a person familiar with the case that it's not uncommon for attorneys and their clients to exit from that doorway when trying to avoid a conflict. The Diamond says the judge was telling the agents they needed a warrant to put Flores Ruiz into custody. According to court documents, the judge told Flores Ruiz that his attorney to use that exit from the courtroom. It's usually not open to the public.
Now, this is not going to go the way you expect it to go.
Flores Ruiz is charged in a domestic battery incident, accused of hitting his roommate 30 times and his roommate's girlfriend because they would not turn their music down. Officials say Flores Ruiz illegally entered our country from his native Mexico in 2013. He was deported but came back.
Now, two things can be happening at once. Should this judge be charged and arrested? I don't think she should. I don't think you have enough evidence to prove that she purposely distracted these ICE agents so he can escape out the courthouse. Also, she did do what's in her right with saying, hey, you need a warrant to arrest this man. Also, what can be true at the same time, if this man is coming back and forth into the country illegally, getting deported, coming back, committing crimes, getting deported, coming back, committing crimes, he should be deported and arrested. But what I do disagree with is deporting 50 immigrants that has no criminal history and no due process.
Before they ever set foot in the United States, Lisbeth Sanguino and her sons went through months of vetting, in-person interviews, and background checks to be resettled as refugees from Venezuela. So she was shocked when the family arrived at the Houston airport and immigration agents arrested her 24-year-old son, Widmer Aguelvis. The reason? A tattoo of a rose and a clock, which an agent wrote are associated with the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua. But experts say Tren de Aragua does not use tattoos as markers of membership, and government documents show that Aguelvis had no criminal record or other evidence linking him to the gang. And yet he ended up here, in a notorious supermax prison in El Salvador designed to lock up gang members and terrorists indefinitely, with no contact with the outside world. He's one of hundreds of men deported to the prison without a court hearing under the Alien Enemies Act.
You see that, MAGA? You see how we can look at things from a case-by-case scenario and understand that some people need to be deported and some people don't? The bigger issue is due process. NARC News Now, facts, details, opinionated.